Hello students, today we start a new topic in module number 5, construction equipments. So today we start a new equipment used in a construction industries is a scraper. So all of you know about the scraper. So a tool or a device used for scraping, especially for removing the dirt, paint or other unwanted matter from the surface. Or in another word, a scraper is a large piece of equipment used in a mining construction and agriculture and other earth moving application. So the rear part of the scraper has a vertically movable hopper, also known as a bowl, and with sharp horizontal frontage. So see this photograph, you exactly seen that here in a front side, this one. In this photograph, this one is a scraper is one of the horizontal movable hopper with blade is provided for cutting the soil easily and easily move in a front direction. Now here scraper are result of a compromise between the based loading and based hauling machine, and scraper are used to scrap the ground, load it simultaneously and then transport it over a distance, dump at a desired place and then spread or layer. And the ability of this machine is to deposit their load in a uniformly thick layer with facilitated to succeeding spreading operation. So here this type of the machines is generally used in a road construction and also in a agriculture construction, agriculture purpose. Now on the return trips of borrow pits of cutting blades of a scraper may be lowered enough to move high spot and thereby assigning in maintaining the whole road. So here this blade is movable and adjustable in any angle, any height, and then after the scraper are designed to dig, load, haul, dump and spread. Therefore sometimes it is called a carrier. So it's another name of the scraper. Now it is essentially consist of a large scoop provided with cutting edge, and a scoop is in the form of the bucket and a hollow container which is known as a bowl or body of the scraper. So the scoop can excavate it, transport and dump the material whenever required, and the cutting edge of the scoop does excavate the work, and excavate a material goes on a collecting hole from the front gates, and the material is transported to the site of dumping and is taken out from the tailgate of the bowl and then facilitate the succeeding and spreading operation to require to uniform thickness of the layer. So here already we discussed on it, this blade is movable, any angle is adjusted and height is also adjusted, and the types of scraper may be broadly classified into main two categories. First one is a crawler, so here tractor scraper, and second one is a wheel and it's a tractor scraper. So here single engine, twin engine, two bowl, tandem and elevating scraper. So these are the wheel type of the scraper is divided into another four type: single, twin, two and elevated scraper. Now next type of the machinery or equipment used in a construction industry is a dumper. So all of you know about a dumper. So dumper is a one type of the largest truck. So dumper is a vehicle designed for carrying the bulk material often on a building sites. So dumper is also known as a dump truck, and the motor vehicle which is specially designed and constructed for carrying the heavy load under a various operation condition can be called as a dumper. So all of you know and seen the dumper. So see this photograph of the dumper. So it is a hydraulic type of the dumper. So it is easily unload the material. So these are meant for carrying the rocks, coal, minerals, aggregate and other material in a construction work. And dumper may be on-road vehicle or off-road vehicle also. So on-road vehicle for transport the any material, and off-road vehicle is only vehicle is moving in sight. And on-road dumper are generally used in normal construction roads such as a road construction, while off-road means vehicle is used from good works and it terrain like dam construction, mines, etc. used for the move the material. So here different design of the dumper is seen in this photograph. So here different types of the dumper, like used in a coal mine or transport the any stone materials, etc. Now the construction features of a dumper is similar to that a heavy duty truck, and except a high strength container or a trolley is mounted at the backside of the cabin, and hydraulic assisted load raising and lowering facility is provided for a dumper material in the trolley. So by using this hydraulic uh, assisted, we easily unload the material. Like some dumper may have a two hydraulic cylinder, and the size of the rear wheel and near of the rear axle may be vary with load carrying capacity and mode of operation. Now suspension at a front is of a rigid elliptical type and the rear heavy duty lift spring are provided to absorb the high impact loading under the severe operation condition. And container for a dumper is specially constructed with an ill handlings and a heavy duty air cleaner and filtered share proof mounting of all the instruments, dust proof electrical systems and cushion mounting for radiator may present in a some dump truck. And dumper play important role in a dam construction, road making and mining, etc. and carrying the material and a dumper at a required place quickly and conveniently. Now another type of the material used in a construction industry is a grader. So here grader is a, see this photograph of the grader. So grader are commonly referred to as a road grader, a blade, a maintainer or a construction machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface. Typically model have a 3 axles with the engine and cab situated above the rear axle at the end of the vehicle, and third axle at the front end of the vehicle with the blade in between. And here use of the this grader is used to prepare the base course to create a wide flat surface for asphalt to be placed on, and used to set the native soil foundation pits to finish grade prior of the construction of a large building. So here this grader is one of the blade to cut the soil and prepare a flat surface. Now next type of the instrument or equipment used in a construction industry is a trencher. So here see this photograph, you from the photograph you exactly seen this trencher. Trencher is used to cut the soil and used for the excavation purpose, and trencher are similar to excavator in the earth and break the soil and rock and remove it from the ground. So here trencher are different from the excavator in that the soil is removed in a one continuous movement, and it is easily cut by the cutter. So it's look like one of the biggest cutter which cut the soil and automatically remove the soil from the excavated area. And the use of the this trencher is used to digging trenches for pipes. So like if any pipe work is done on a road or off the road, so at that time this trencher is used to cut the soil, and then after excavate the entire area for a piping purpose. Now next type of the instrument used in a construction industry is a concrete mixing. So here first of all we discuss on what is concrete mixture. So here a device that makes the ingredients of the concrete from the fresh concrete. So here there are the different type of the there are the cement, sand, aggregate, and water is used to prepare a concrete. So these are the ingredients of the concrete, and these ingredients is mixed properly without any problem, and this mixing should be must be uniform to preserve the quality and working of the concrete. So the concrete mixture was invented by United States industrialist uh, Jabbar Jaeger, and see this photograph of the different type of the concrete mixture machine. So here types of the concrete mixture. So these are the four main type of the concrete mixture. First one is a twin shaft mixture, second one is a vertical axis mixture, third one is a drum mixture, and fourth one is a in transit mixture. So one by one we discuss on it. So first one we discuss on a twin shaft mixture. So see this photograph of the twin shaft mixture. So here two shaft is provided. So see this in a photograph, first one and second one. So these two shaft is provided for the mixing purpose, and the twin shaft mixture are known as their high intensity mixing in a short period of the time, and these mixer are typically used for the high strength concrete in batches of 2.6 to 7.8 cubic yard. So here capacity of the mixing of the concrete is a maximum, and second type of the mixture is a vertical axis mixture. So here see this vertical bucket is provided and a mixture machine is provided. So drum mixture are usually used where the large volume of the concrete being produced, and the base size is range from the 3.9 to 12 cubic yard, and this type of the mixture dominate the ready mix market, as it is known as capable of a high production speed, ideally for a slump concrete, and where overall cost of the production is important. And drum mixture are known to have the lowest maintenance and operating cost. And here there are the two types of the drum mixture. So here first one is a tilting drum mixture, and second one is a non-tilting drum mixture. So here in a tilting drum mixture we easily tilt the drum. So this one is a drum, and this one is a handle for operator. So by moving the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction of this wheel, and we easily tilt the drum. And in a non-tilting machine, so material is removed from the this drum by revolving the drum in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Now another type of the mixer machine is a in transit mixture. So in transit mixture you see this photograph. In this photograph we exactly seen that this type of the truck is seen on a construction site or on a road. So these type of they are made to transport and mix the concrete up to the construction site, and they can be changed with dry material and water with mixing occurring during the transport. And with this process the material has already been mixed, and it maintain the it maintain the materials liquid state through the turning of the drum until the delivery in transit mixture. And the interior of the drum is fixed with a spiral blade, and in one rotation direction of the concrete is pushed into the drum. This is known as a charging the mixture. So when the drum is reverse rotation direction, So screw type arrangement of the blade is force the concrete out of the drum, and rotation speed of the drum is generally 20 to 36 round per minute. Now parts of the concrete mixture. So here there are the main five parts is there. So first one is a drum, so it is used to mix the component, and second one is a roller, so it is roll the drum, and the third one is a motor, so it operate the rollers to rotate the rollers, and by using the motor we rotate the drum, and blade is used to mix the ingredient in a homogeneously and discharge it, and last one is a gearbox, so it is used to control the rotation of the speed of the drum. Now another type of the instrument used in a construction industry is a tunnel boring machine. So this instrument we discuss in a next lecture. So here we stop our lecture. Thank you.